everyone, it's Patricia from tarantulaheaven.com. Enjoy my Chilean rose hair Spidey crawling all over her tank. While I'm talking, she's been very active, so that makes my heart very happy, and I hope it will make you happy too. Today I wanted to make a short video about a new finding. I had included this in a former video, but this was not the whole topic of the video. So I wanted to make a video just about this in case anybody is intrigued by the title. So I think that this kind of proves that we are always learning more about tarantulas. We by far do not know everything. And so I think it's really important for us to still be open. So this is actually about a perhaps new defense strategy that they have found in tarantulas. This appeared in the Journal of Natural History, and we have previously thought of tarantula defenses as, of course, their urticating hairs that the New World tarantula has, and their venom. But now they're actually thinking that maybe there is a chemical defense that tarantulas have. The researchers suggest that tarantulas may actually have specialized epidermal glands in their cuticles that could secrete predator repellent substances. What they're saying about these gland openings, which I also think is very interesting, is that, first of all, the epidermal gland openings are kind of slit-like. So I guess I'm kind of imagining like a gill of a shark. I don't know, when I hear slit, I'm not sure. Or it could be more of like their book lungs kind of slit, I'm not sure. But they're saying that those might actually be producing defensive secretions. And the reason why tarantulas might have this might be against predators, like for example, cats and dogs, because what they found is that animals that have this very developed sense of smell will actually kind of make a wincing face and move away from a tarantula. And that has nothing to do with the tarantula doing a defense pose or kicking hairs at them or perhaps secreting a little venom from their fangs. That is completely about these epidermal glands and this chemical. Dr. Alireza Zamani said in this study that the hypothesis is supported by the observation that cats and dogs, animals with a highly developed sense of smell, tend to wince and move away after sniffing a tarantula. I just said that. Tarantulas have a slit-like epidermal gland opening of unknown function, so they don't really know exactly what this is. But they're saying which may produce defensive secretions responsible for this reaction. They're also saying that further studies and evidence needs to be done or had to actually substantiate the hypotheses of the chemical defense mechanism. Even if we don't know for sure, I think even just the presence of this question and the observation shows that we don't know as much as we think about tarantulas, and that we still have a lot of work to do in terms of understanding the behavior and evolutionary strategies of tarantulas. So I think that's very, very exciting, because before I read this article, I had not ever heard of a chemical defense strategy. That seems to be a very new finding, and I think it should definitely be studied. So I wanted to share that with you. I'm curious if you've heard this before. I certainly hadn't, and what you think about it. I hope you all found that interesting, and I will see you next week for Tarantula Tuesday. Take care. Bye.